Come out, get your ass beaten! Get your ass beaten, motherfucker! I'm going to work. You fucking lucky. Come over to where I'm at working out tonight. Bash your fucking head in. Hey, and fix your left light, you dipshit. Your left back light, it's out. It's out. Huh? I work at your mom's fucking house. I work at your mom's house.
Who do you work for, pussy?
Your fucking mom. Hey, I hope I get you. I hope I get you as a ride, motherfucker. What's your name? What's your name, bitch?
I can barely even hear what I needed to hear. Oh, I like bitch is gonna tail me, so I'm gonna slow down. This is even better. Hey, let me set my cruise control. Let me set my cruise control right on me. I'll set my cruise control. There we go. I gotta turn my cruise control on. Like I'm driving the podcast. Like whatever. So, okay. But I don't have to go over 45. Who gives a? They're sitting behind me. Jesus, they're like fucking foot from the back of my car. What are you tailing me for? And then he zips around me to get in front of me. Whatever. Oh, don't get car, man! Don't get out of your car! Don't get out of your car, fucker! Don't get out of your car, motherfucker! Get back in your fucker! Go ahead! Get back in your fucker! Don't tail me! Don't fucking get back in your car! You want spirit? You want a life-changing moment in your fucking life? Do you want a life-changing moment in your life? Fucking neck in your car! Get back in your fucking car! He's out of his car, standing in the fucking window. Can take. I have no idea. Sitting in front of me, he's sitting in front of me, and now he can put his hazards on. Like I got my kids in my car. Then what are you following me so close for? I have no idea, dude. You better, you out of my funeral, out of my funeral. You over there. Motor one's moving again. Hey! I don't give a vehicle! Unfucking believable. Go, let me hold this, go. They need to be in the right lane. We're turning right at the light. Stay on your horn, photo. You got a van pulled out. Hey! Dumb white bitch in a blue car. Get over! Get the f*** over! What are you doing? What the f*** does it look like I'm doing, dumb fuck? Get the fuck over before you find out.
Stop pretending you're a police officer.
Listen, motherfucker, I know what I'm allowed to do and what I'm not allowed to do. What you need to do is figure it the fuck out before you start talking shit and cutting us off.
I'm not cutting anyone.
Go ahead and pull your little phone out.
I'm not
do
cutting
your little
anyone
Google search and figure out what we're doing and what we legally allowed. Good. Then back off and give us room.
I'm not interfering with you at all.
You are by running along.
You've been blocking traffic.
Yeah, I need you to stay to the side, sir.
Dude,
that's what the legal law is. Go back and look it up. 316. Good. Call them now. Please, 911 right now.
I'm not calling 911.
Go ahead. Call the 911 right now.
I'm not going to call 911.
Tell them it's on video too. Let them know all of this. It's on video. We also have your tag number. So please let me know.
Escort to your truck.
Watch this.
Slow down. You didn't know you
I'm already behind you. I can't back up. There's people behind me. Okay, you know what? What are you doing?
He's parking.
What are you doing?
There's a parking space right here. He's parking.
How am I supposed to know that you're doing that?
I put my turn signal on to go into right.
Oh, you put your turn signal to go which way?
To right.
To
backing
right?
up in there.
So you're backing up? And
yes.
signal going
You
right?
should know.
Oh, I should?
Yeah, you should.